Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ARQL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times in the past. Can't remember the last time I did it, but that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But on that note, first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So $6, one of the newest areas of support after today's very nice price movement. What I would call the ideal level of support going forward, meaning, hey, Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $6.50. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $6.50, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, in the event the price can stay up above $6.50, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back, looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50 period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. Staying above 650, like I said, sure, that would be great. However, grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key area that if you're watching level 2s today, I'm sure you know right where I'm going to head up with this, but right there around $6.85, give or take. That was definitely the general kind of vicinity of where the sellers were at. Anyway, look at it though, and as I've said many times before on this chart, as long as the price continues to build overall higher bases, everything else will continue to take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on building higher lows and then just sit back and enjoy the trend. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.